want to do a quick video on how to replace the battery on the key fob for a BMW F30. I've got a couple keys. This is my spare key actually, and I didn't notice it, but when I grabbed my spare key just to open up the car one time, walked out to the car, hit the button, nothing. So the key's been dead. It's not working, so I need to put a new battery in it. The battery you're going to need is a 2450. So that's what I picked up from the store, and I'll show you how to open up the key fob, show you where it's at, where the battery is, and how to replace it. So here we go. What you want to do is there's a button here on the bottom, on the back of this, right here. So you want to press this button in and then pull at the same time. So let's do that now. Pressing in, then we pull. And this is your key, and what this key is actually used for is you can use it to put something in the glove compartment, then lock the glove compartment, take this with you, give this to the valet, and they can open up the car, they can operate the car, but they can't get into the glove compartment. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and there are some openings here in the end of the key. This is the one that it actually goes in when you're putting it away. What we're going to concentrate on is there's an opening right here. Okay, so it'll be right this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that, put the key in there, and just kind of push up a little bit. What that does, it pops open the back door of the key fob. The little door comes off, and there is the key. So it's also a good time to clean up in here any dust bunnies or stuff. So aside from that, what we're going to do, I'm going to grab one of these alcohol wipes from one of my trips to get some buffalo wings, and I'm just going to use this to try to clean up a little bit, make it look brand new. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just going to put a knife blade under here and just lift it up. So there's our battery, a bad one. Okay, battery's out, and simply put that back in and take the back. Just go over this real quick too. And BW3s did not sponsor this video, so, but their wipes work good. Alright, so got the back on there, push it back on. There we go. I just pushed the button and I can hear it out in my garage working, so successfully replaced the key fob in an F30. Any questions, let me know. I'll leave the information as far as which battery it is. It's the 2450. I'll leave that in the link also, and also it's right here. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.